What's up, everybody? Good morning. I hope you're having a wonderful day. In light with what's going on in our country, I sincerely hope that you and your families are safe amidst this uncertainty. Without further ado, I'm going to do a quick video of this blow dryer. We got low working, however, the high is not working. So I'm going to open her up, see what's going on, and see if I can fix it. Let's get to it. A couple things. So you want to make sure it's not plugged in. The last thing you want to do is electrocute yourself. So not plugged in. And then it looks like what I'm going to need is a Phillips head screwdriver to get 1, 2, 3, 4 screws out of here. So this last screw right here is giving me a little bit of trouble. This Phillips head it's seen its fair share of use. So Swiss Army knife, call in an audible. So, correction, not 4, but 6. Okay, here we go. Boom. There's our problem right there. Okay, so the switch works. But this brace right here, you see how it's moving? It's broken. So when you go to push it into the back, it just slides the whole switch. So I'm gonna see if I could glue that back and fix that, excuse me. Right, hang on a second, I'm gonna move this out of the way. Right here, see that? There we go. All right, I'm gonna mix up some JB weld and see if that holds. This is their 6-minute, yeah, it's a little bright, here we go. 6-minute formula. You just mix it up in a tray and pretty much spackle it on there. It sets very quickly. So once you get the two mixed up, you gotta be ready to go right in there and start placing it where you need to. It's gonna be tough to get into that little nook. I don't wanna peel it all the way off, so I'm gonna see if I can move these all the way out. And then I have to remember how everything goes back in. So, gonna mix this up, put it in there, wait for it to set, close it back up. So, I'm mixing the 2-part epoxy. Like I said earlier, once you get the 2 going, it sets very quickly, so you gotta be quick about it. And then you just wanna get it so that it's gray in color. Let's see. Get this going real quick and then I'll show you. Like that. All right, I gotta get it into that little tiny spot. Honestly, I think I'm just gonna plop that off. Get all this stuff on there. Now you don't really need that much. You just want to get it enough on there and then hold this so that it holds. Alright, here we go. Here's the fun part. And somehow I gotta hold it in place till it sets. That's where the blue tape comes in. All right, I'm gonna give that some time, let it set, and then we'll start putting it all back together. It says 6 minutes to set. I'm gonna give it a little, about 30 minutes before I start getting everything back in. Yeah, now we play the waiting game. All right, so still waiting for that to cure. I went ahead and made a little makeshift brace. I'm gonna put this right there. And it's gonna give it a little more strength up at the top here for when you're pushing. It's gonna brace this against that. So hopefully my little engineering helps. All right, everybody, so it's been about 30 minutes. I got my brace right there. Move my finger here. As you can see, it's right there. That is the piece that we glued. And now I'm gonna start putting it back together. Don't forget this little piece. Alright, now let's test her out. So we got low, and good to go. So that's the video, everybody. I hope you like it. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Let me know what I could work on. So this, you know, sometimes it just, you gotta open stuff up and seeing what's going on. You know, that's happened to be a very simple fix, so we didn't have to have, you know, to get another blow dryer. Yeah. So I will catch you on the next one. Peace.